Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. Today I'll be helping you learn how to log into BML Bank. Bank of Montreal is a Canadian multinational investment bank and financial service company that was founded in 1817. As Montreal Bank, it is the fourth largest bank in Canada by market capitalization and assets and one of the 10 largest bank in North America to log into BML. Go to your screen and open any web browser you want. As soon as you do that, type in www.bl.com and press the enter on your keyboard. As soon as you reach to the official website, click on the login link at the upper right corner of the screen and choose travel categories from where you want to log into your account. Or you can simply click on online banking. And doing this will take you to a next page where you can sign into your BMO bank account. The first thing you'll need to do is fill up your card number in the first field. And if you want the system to remember your card, then click on this box over here, but if you are using a public device, then make sure to turn this off. Move on to the next field and enter the password for your account. Make sure to enter the correct password every time you log into your account for easy login without any kind of a problem. In case you forgot your password, click on Forgot Your Password link right below and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done entering the credentials, click on the Continue button, and doing this will take you to the Montreal Bank account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it helpful, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till